Okay, so today we are finishing off solving systems of equations by substitution. We, remember, want to solve one equation for x or y. And then we're going to substitute that equation. And then solve for my variable. Hurry, go get the notes. Okay. Then once I get my first answer, I'm going to take that and substitute and solve for my other variable. Okay, so if I take a look at my first one, what's different from yesterday? How are these different? Yeah? They're both in standard form, so nothing is solved for x and y. So I need to pick one of the equations to get alone. Which one looks easier to get alone? I don't care which letter I get, why the top one? Yeah, so notice how the y doesn't have a coefficient. That's going to make it easier when I go. So I'm going to solve one of my equations for x or y. And then we decided we were going to do the top one because my y has a coefficient of 1. So if I'm solving for y, what do I need to do first? Move what? No, y I want to leave alone. What else is on the same side as y? So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to summarize what we just did. The first equation had a coefficient of 1 for y. So we solved for y first. Yeah? Oh, you're right. Should be a negative. Thank you. Okay, so now we have an equation with one variable on one side. So I'm going to plug into my y for my second equation. That is the 5x one. And instead of y, I'm going to write the negative 2x minus 2. So what I got up above, I just rewrote down here. Okay, then what do I want to do? Distribute. So I had 5x What's 3 times negative 2x? Negative 6x. 3 times negative 2? Okay. And it's still equals negative 8. Okay, then I want to combine like terms. What's 5x minus 6x? Is it? Okay, then what do I want to do next? Okay, and then my final step. So I get x equals positive 2. Am I done? I have to solve for y. When I'm solving systems, I should always get a coordinate point as my answer. So which equation do you want me to plug into? I can choose the top, the bottom, or the one I got y all alone. Okay? So that is y equals negative 2x minus 2. And I'm going to plug in 2 for x. So what's negative 2 times 2? Negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 is? So my answer here is 2 comma negative 6. Don't equal.
That's what? I'm sorry.
Two things don't equal each other.
Right, okay.
Good. So this one wants me to solve the system of equations. How do I start off by solving this one? What do I want to do first here? So I already have one of these solved for y, so I'm going to plug in for my y. Then what? Okay, so I get 6x minus, what's negative 2 times 3x?
Negative 6.
Okay. Negative 2 times 1? Okay. What is 6x minus 6x? 0x, so I don't have to write it. I have negative 2 equals negative 2. Is this true?
Yeah.
Okay. So, since negative 2 equals negative 2 is a true statement, the system of equation has what kind of answer? Infinitely many solutions. So if I went to go graph these two, what would they be?
The same dot.
The same line.
The same line.
Okay. So, C, what do I want to start off by doing? Which one's plugging in? Like, am I solving the top one, or am I plugging into the top one? Okay. So I'm going to take this 5x minus 4 and plug into my top one. So I have 5x minus, and then in parentheses, the 5x minus 4 equals negative 4. Okay. Then what? Distribute. So negative times 5x is negative times 5x is negative 5x. Negative times negative 4. Okay, 5x minus 5x. 0x, so I don't need to write it. I have 4 equals negative 4. Yeah, this is not true. This is a false statement. So since 4 equals negative 4 is a false statement, the system of equations has no solution. And if I went to graph this, these would look like what? What kind of graphs had no solution? Parallel.